Hello students, these are the two next exercise of the chapter number 8 S circle, exercise number 24 and 25. Let's start with exercise number 24. Be ready. Start. We have your message and we shall have the invoice and the bills of lading ready by the time the ship sails on Wednesday. Since the business for the year shows a heavy loss, the bank may wish to have a voice in the firm's affairs. We refuse to pay this sum when we can get the same items for less. May we know why this small bill is unpaid? As you know, we have allowed it to go beyond the usual time. We shall be happy to give you details of any of the items which appear on the bill. In a month, we hope to add the names of a dozen firms which will sell our silk. I have seen the head of the firm and I think he will renew the lease on the office in South Avenue. He will, I think, wish to lease fewer rooms and thus effect a saving. His firm has had a poor year and for this reason he has to save some money. We shall be happy to give you the names of those hotels which have bought them. Next is exercise number 25 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We are happy to announce a sale of the famous arch form shoes. The factory is anxious to have many new buyers for these shoes and for this reason is selling them to the dealers for less this month. We hope you will come in soon. When you see the shoes, we think you will wish to select several pairs, and if you do so, you will effect a large saving. We know of no similar value. We have them in any size. Each pair as the usual guarantee of the factory. We advise you to come in early, for if you delay, you may miss some of the value of the sale. So these are the two dictations of the chapter number 8, 24 and 25. नेक्स्ट आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिल जाएंगे इसके पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3 एंड उसके डिक्टेशंस. ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू.